Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, we did bounce from that 100% Fibonacci extension that I talked about in both of my videos yesterday. It looked like it wanted to turn before hitting that level, but then it didn't, and it just kept on pushing up. So if you have been watching my videos, then you probably have been executing some pretty good trades. Now the question is this really a wave A? And this is really one, two, three waves up for wave B? I would think that it would be. I would think that this would potentially be going down now and potentially in a wave C, which very likely could be a crutch into this whole move up. So we have to be careful a little bit with assuming that because we don't have our break of structure yet. If it breaks below structure, I think that we're definitely going to be in a downtrend. We're definitely going to go up down to a percentage in this last move up, making an ABC correction. If for whatever reason it does decide to break structure back to the upside like this, then it possibly could go up and try to take out these highs because most wave Cs do take out the high of wave A and then later on head back down. We have to be a little bit careful over the next day because we are going into the Easter weekend. Tomorrow is Good Friday and a bank holiday for most people. So far this week it has been pretty slow anyways, but tomorrow and Monday may be very slow days because they are bank holidays for most people. So I definitely am assuming that it's going to go down and make a wave C. Let's see if we have enough volume to make that happen today. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.